Hello friends, this is the wonderful magic box which I bought from AliExpress. It's a 4 HDMI 4x1 switch with optical audio out interface. This is a box which I received, you can see, and when I unboxed it, these are the things which I received. A nicely packed premium quality switch. You can see it. Suppose ARC, it says 4K FSU. Here is the audio, manual audio 3.5 jack and SPDI optical fiber. Then we have input 1, which it says MHL, which means that if your mobile have the MHL option, you can use that here to connect your mobile phone to the TV. Then we have HDMI input 2, 3 and 4. Here is the DC 5V power option and the HDMI output, which you will connect to your TV. And here are the ports which you can connect. This SPDIF will be useful when you have your surround bar or audio output amplifier where a optical fiber cable is supported. It's nicely packed and looks premium. Then I got the user manual. It's really nice one, and English is bit tough to understand, but we can understand. It's coming directly from China, but I never thought it will be so good. Then this is the nicely built remote which we get with this switch. It's HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4, then ARC audio return channel. Then we have SPDIF on off audio copy 5.1 channel 2. Looks nice. Then we have the power supply cable, and this was the packing which I received. This was the unboxing of the 4K FSU. Overall, it looks very premium and standard, and will let you know.